So we all know pregnancy is a very important phase in a female's life. But today's busy schedule has led to a delay in pregnancy in most of the couples. So all the people who are getting married and who are planning their pregnancies, they should go for a preconceptional counseling, which is very, very important, and even for a premarital counseling, just to plan out what they actually want and when they actually want to get pregnant. And this helps in preventing abortions. It helps to conceive. The preconceptional counseling is very, very important to take folic acid in time and vitamins in time, because we are all deficient these days of lots of vitamins like vitamin D, selenium, B12. So these also help us in conceiving and having a healthy pregnancy. The most common reason which socially we see is the delayed marriages which are happening these days. The delay in the marriages and delayed conception after marriage and the busy schedule of the partners is leading to less chances of getting pregnant. Obviously, when the couples are both doing a different schedule, somebody is doing a night, somebody is doing a day, so that also leads to a lot of issues in conceiving. And sometimes the couples don't even have time for having relations. So the first thing which most commonly I see in my patient is that the time is a very big reason for not conceiving. And long distance, many people are maintaining long distance relationships also. So that also leads to not conceiving late. So sometimes they conceive easily, but many times they take a lot of time. And the other thing which we have seen commonly is the polycystic ovarian disease, diabetes, hypertension, and even in males the sperm count is affected to some extent to the pollution, to the stressful life. They might be having high cholesterol, BP, and all those things also take a toll. Even diabetes is very rampant in both males and females by the age of 30 also. So there also that leads to deteriorating the quality of the sperm and the ovum. So these are very common reasons which we find, and many people need a little bit of a treatment and ovulation induction, weight loss, and detoxification diet just to conceive easily. So these things, simple methods and simple steps will lead to conception easily. So these are the most common reasons, and I will say time and delayed pregnancy and deficiencies are very commonly which we see in our couples. Thank you.